Hello and welcome to the 3X Logic and Phineas video tutorials. Today we're learning how to find your IP address for your EIDC Plus controller. The EIDC has lights corresponding with numbers. As the lights flash, it represents the number that is beside the light. First, we'll apply power by using a power over Ethernet connection. As the EIDC boots, it will begin to flash the IP address. The controller will first flash the first octet, then the second, third, and fourth. The EIDC will cycle through this pattern 3 times before completing the startup sequence.